Hi, I'm Sau-Chin. I'm making this short video for the hackathon demo video screenplay templates for massive collaborative projects. Because according to the SIPS schedule, I'm afraid I cannot get up at the scheduled timing. So I make this video for friends who are interested in this project. This is a side project for open science because of my experience. So I want to talk about why I start this project. I'm I have a I have a run two collaborative projects. One is organized by me and the accelerators. And during this experience, I find many people join this kind of this massive collaborative projects. Everyone have the passion to increase the the psychological science and want to make their scientific practice better. However, when many people from many disciplines, like I am cognitive psychologist, and some are social psychologists, and some are clinical psychologists, and everyone have a different image to how to have a different image about what is a good practice in for psychological science, and these images made every let everyone have a different have a different understanding about how to make a demo video before before they are running a study in their lab, or when they are start or when they prepare the study in their lab. And this different understanding, this different understanding for myself have make many different have make many I for myself I have found many some issues if we have no standard template for we and many people will not will not understand how what is the critical points when they are prepared when they are prepare and run the study according to a collaborative project proposal. And so this is so I propose this side project and wish to help every massive project could have a template that many PI and site state could understand and run the study based on the purpose of that project. Okay, so now let's see what we have before this hackathon. Because this year all of the world we have we are in the situation we never experienced. So right now I just have some I just have a rough draft for for develop this this project, and now I switch to our public document, and everyone see what everyone watch this video. You will access this document on the SIPS program over the Slack channels. Now I have a rough outline. We could build a checklist for any project. We will and when we and whoever I assume if a PI want to develop his demo video standard, he can and they can use this template to build to build a storyboard. Every site staff have to show what they are doing on and in their lab. And now I have listed some elementary things may any every PI will concern. For example, for cognitive studies, the critical points will be the settings on the programs. And for social psychologists, for social psychology studies, the critical points will be the settings in the lab rooms. So maybe the template will list any setting in any kind of psychologist study, and PI could will decide the elements necessary in the will decide the necessary elements in their project. So this is what I am thinking we could achieve in this hackathon. And fortunately, months ago, I got some resource from accelerators from the accelerator colleague Jotan Cakes. His lab have developed his lab has set up some kind of checklist like this project I want to do, so everyone could check their example as to think about how we this template could use this could use this resource in this project. Okay, so the goal of this project, I wish everyone who joined this project will build a self-satisfied template checklist, and this checklist may not only have the text or descriptions, and also we could have some drawings or some screenplay for PI in to choose what kind of the screen the every site staff have to show in their demo video. So this way, and I think if you are you are good at drawing, maybe you can help this project. And every site staff will have a clear have a clear example for making of their demo videos. This is what this is my this is the current goal I wish this project will end up. And in the future, after this template build, maybe we could extend this template to a website. Even we could develop, we could write an application for every PI could build their demo video template on the website or in the apps, and I think every participant of this project could find out some implication of this project. Okay, this is my short introduction about this project. I wish you have a good working in this SIPS virtual meeting, and I wish I can contact. I wish I could communicate with everyone. Join this project in any time and in anywhere. Bye bye.